Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Prophetess Ruth Makandiwa has arrived in the United Kingdom ahead of the United Family International Church UK national event, a special weekend set for this weekend. The wife of UFIC founder Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa landed in the UK this week and was welcomed by church members at the airport. She shared photos on Facebook expressing excitement ahead of the gathering. Shalom family, I'm super excited for our UK special weekend. It is going to be such a powerful and beautiful time together, and I truly can't wait to see you all there. My heart is expectant for everything God has prepared for us. Come ready to receive it, she wrote. The two-day event will be held at Violent Alive, Collier Street, Derby, DE11LA. According to the official event poster, the program runs as follows. Saturday, 25 July 2026, Morning Glory, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Evening Main Service, 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. For the Sunday event, 26 July 2026, afternoon main service will be at 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. The UK branch of UFIC says that the weekend will focus on worship, the word and prayer under the church's vision of building a good society of all people, of all nations. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.